Hole saw is a perfect tool for drilling large diameter holes. The challenge comes when you have a small hole you want to enlarge. The hole saw won't work because the pilot bit has nothing to bite into, so it'll rattle around and leave you a really ragged cut. So the trick is to take 2 hole saws and mount them on a single arbor. And what happens is this inner, smaller hole saw is the same diameter as the old hole, and the larger hole saw is the size of the hole you want to drill. So you just put it in there so the smaller diameter hole saw fits right in the old hole and drill it out. There you go. Get a nice clean hole on both sides with no problem. Now, the only thing I want to tell you is that when you're using this trick, it doesn't work with every single hole saw. First, you need either type of hole saw that has the hole saws that fit onto a single fixture like this, or, let me take this one apart and show you, it has to be a hole saw that has elongated holes. If you look at the bottom of the hole saw, see how it has 2 flat sides? That's what you need. You can do this trick every time.
Simple Solutions is brought to you by Tite Bond, the Pro's Advantage.